In this session, we're still busy with our company details option, enterprise settings. And we're now going to look at how to centralize ledgers of multiple companies. So remember, you cannot centralize unless you've selected trading branches and all your companies belong, in other words, all the companies that you want to use to centralize the ledger must have the same ledger grouping for trading branches. At the moment, I am in my head office. This is my company 001. So I don't have to centralize or choose centralize here. We're going to use this company's ledger. I'm going to close company details and open one of my other companies. I'm going to say utilities, select company, and I'll choose my 002 company, branch 1. I'm going to go back to company details and enterprise settings, where I'm now going to make sure the centralized ledger option here is my main company, my 001. So just click on your selection and choose your company. I will choose my demo branch 1. And you click on accept. Tells you you're about to change the settings for the ledger that this company integrates to. In other words, it's not going to use this company's ledger anymore. It will now use 001's ledger. I'm going to click on accept. Yes, yes. So I'm in company 002. If I now process a transaction, doesn't matter what it is. Remember, IQEnterprise is an integrated ledger, so every single transaction will have an influence on the ledger. So you can process any transaction. So all of these accounts is now the same for all three companies. I've done my selection, my centralized ledger selection for my third company as well. If I go to ledger cash book postings and I process a transaction, I'll choose today's date, my GL here will be selected, and let's say I choose cleaning expenses. Here I choose the branch. I'm going to say it's branch 1. Always have a reference. I'm here going to say where I bought my cleaning expenses from, and I specify the amount. You can specify if there was tax on the transaction. Remember, if you want to learn more about cash book processing, listen to those sessions. I'm going to click on process. Close the preview. If I now take you to the ledger, we'll say ledger inquiries, and we go to our bank, which is our 3990 account. You will see there's my transaction. You also see earlier on today I processed an accounting fee transaction. I'm going to close this company and open my head office. If we now go to ledger inquiries and we look at our bank account again, there's those two transactions. The GL will be the same. In other words, all the transactions is now available for preview in all three companies because it's got the same ledger account. And that concludes looking at ledger centralization.